The Petal 2 card uses a system that looks at your banking history, income, and spending patterns instead of only relying on a traditional credit score, which is why some people with limited credit still get approved. By the end, you'll know how the Petal 2 card's cashback works, who it actually approves, and whether it's worth using in 2026 compared to other beginner credit cards. The main appeal of the Petal 2 card is simple. It's an unsecured credit card, meaning you don't need to put down a security deposit like you would with a secured card. Instead, Petal evaluates your cash flow through linked bank accounts to decide approval and credit limit. Once you're approved, you use it like a normal credit card. You make purchases, then pay the balance each month. The card reports your payment activity to the major credit bureaus, which helps build credit history over time if you stay consistent with on-time payments. The cashback structure is also different from most starter cards. Petal 2 offers rewards on eligible purchases, and those rewards can increase after a period of responsible use. That sounds attractive, but the actual value depends heavily on how much you spend and whether you qualify for the higher reward tier. Here's where the trade-off shows up. Compared to secured credit cards, Petal 2 is harder to get approved for if you have no credit history at all. But if you do qualify, you avoid the upfront deposit and get a more traditional credit card experience from day one. The downside is that it's not guaranteed approval for thin credit profiles. Some users with no credit or very limited banking history may still get declined. And even when approved, your starting limit may be low until you build a track record of consistent payments. So who should actually consider it? Petal 2 makes sense if you have some banking history, stable income, and want to skip secured cards entirely. It's less useful if you need a guaranteed entry point into credit building. The bottom line is this. Petal 2 is closer to a real credit card than most starter options, but that also makes it less predictable for approval. Your next step is to compare it directly with a secured card option. If you can't qualify for Petal 2, a secured card is still the most reliable way to start building credit. If this helped you decide, like and subscribe for more clear credit card breakdowns without the confusion.